Collision may have formed the Moon in mere hours. Simulations reveal most theories claim the Moon formed out of the debris of a collision between the Earth and an object about the size of Mars, called Theia, coalescing in orbit over months or years. A new simulation puts forth a different theory. The Moon may have formed immediately, in a matter of hours, when material from the Earth and Theia was launched directly into orbit after the impact. Billions of years ago, a version of our Earth that looks very different than the one we live on today was hit by an object about the size of Mars, called Theia, and out of that collision the Moon was formed. How exactly that formation occurred is a scientific puzzle researchers have studied for decades, without a conclusive answer. This opens up a whole new range of possible starting places for the Moon's evolution, said Jacob Kegeres, a postdoctoral researcher at NASA's Ames Research Center in California's Silicon Valley, and lead author of the paper on these results published in the Astrophysical Journal Letters. We went into this project not knowing exactly what the outcomes of these high-resolution simulations would be. So, on top of the big eye-opener that standard resolutions can give you misleading answers, it was extra exciting that the new results could include a tantalizingly Moon-like satellite in orbit. The simulations used in this research are some of the most detailed of their kind, operating at the highest resolution of any simulation run to study the Moon's origins or other giant impacts. This extra computational power showed that lower resolution simulations can miss out on important aspects of these kinds of collisions, allowing researchers to see new behaviors emerge in a way previous studies just couldn't see.